Hi, Caitlin. What you need? What'd you come downstairs for? A what? A good night snack? What do you think would be a good night snack?
Daddy said get some cheese and ask Mommy.
Daddy said to get some cheese and ask Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, go get you a cheese.